How's it going, everybody? We got a Lang Tool diesel compression test set, and it also does light duty trucks. TU-15-55 is the part number for Lang on the website, link down below. You got little clasps right here. It's kind of thinner plastic. Opening this up, you could take a look at some of the parts that we have. And I'll direct you to here. I'm going to pause right here so that way you could stop. And these are the pieces. Let's take a look at them. You could find this and a lot more Lang on our website at vermonttoolcompany.com.